Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to reply on any post on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So as you see here, first of all, enter this application and then choose any post you want, and then click on this comment icon right here, and then here you can write your reply. As you see, you can reply wherever you like, by GIF or by photo. So that's it. That's when you write, just click reply and it's gonna be posted. So that's it. That's how to reply on any post you want. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.